That's looking pretty good, y'all. Maybe I can get that done also today. Man, I keep saying maybe I could do something. I ain't got that much time. Morning, y'all. Ain't got that much time. Picked up some stuff from Lowe's, so I got here a little bit later. I got my landscape pins this morning. I got my wasp and hornet spray because they still out here for whatever reason. Even though it's been a little bit chilly, they usually still gone at this time. And then I got some potting soil. Plan today is to level off the spot to put the powerhouse on, and hopefully I could move the powerhouse today. I don't know. First, let me get this potting soil out of here. Oh, and I got a little lock for the shipping container, although not necessarily needed out here right now, but here we go. Come on now. Spider webs, man. Get off me. Let me grab some gloves playing in this mulch because I ain't got no running water out here, as y'all know, so I can't just clean my hands off. Pull that out just a little bit. Alright. Now they should be able to thrive out here. Break up the big pieces, the chunks. Alright, so that's it, y'all. We are good to go. Fill those, my Vigos up for my lemon and my tangerine tree. On to the next, baby. Alright. No, it's got sticks and vines and stuff in it. Ooh, look at the thorns on that thing, man. Nope. I don't know if y'all could see it good or not, but I'll show y'all real quick after that first little couple of dumps. You can kind of see the dirt is just a little higher than that T-post. So, and then in this area over here, it's still low. Tell you what I can do though. I can pull a bunch of dirt over here with this box blade and drop it. Might work. Whoop. How did that work out? Alright. Alright, y'all. That is a lot more level. Y'all sitting way over there because y'all are in the shade. So we go based off that same. That's level. simpleton's way. That's level. Dusting up my level. And then I will make that level. So we can kind of push dirt up to meet that. Definitely level on this back end. Really don't need much there. Most of this can come down. And wow. Actually get some of this dead crap out of the way. You know what? I'm not raking nothing else. You take that box blade and get it all out. We are good to go. I just did that because I wanted the fronts to look. That's just because I'm tripping. I just like to see it all clean and neat. I'm tripping. All right, let me grab some weed barrier and roll that out. Cut that off. Stake that down. See where we can go from there. Hey, my bad, y'all. It wasn't recording, but I'm about to lay out this weed barrier, and I cut it for the width, and I forgot that this was like 13 feet wide, so I didn't need to cut it for the width at all. I should, because it was gonna span the length that I need, so I should have cut it for how deep it is. So I'm gonna put it down and put a chop on it. All right. Or maybe I don't know, maybe I'll leave it long. So if I need to put water catchment back here or something, I can. Bet. I am gonna leave that long. All right, so it worked out this time. All right, let's get some stakes in. Stop looking at it. Yeah, my help usually be out here killing it with the stakes. I ain't got it today though. Nice. All right. And I can work that in. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It may be hard for y'all to see, but the line of the shipping container, it looked like I think I'm doing it. I think it's right on. So, little deck, powerhouse, done. So I do need to measure how far back off of this. It don't matter though, because I got plenty of space to play with. Before I do that edge, I should Start setting my lines strategically back that way. I got one half done, one side done, got the other side done. And I think what I'm gonna do is, since each corner is pretty solid, I'm gonna leave that open. I'm not gonna hit the ends first. And then I'm gonna come down and tighten it up like so. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Oh, just sit on the dock of the bed, watching the time roll away. Ooh, just sit on the dock of the bed, wasting time. I'm doing my double up now on the edges because I had a pretty good distance with them, so I'm finna get this done. Yeah. Yep. Ground hard over here, y'all. I hit rock quick. So we can go ahead and fold this under and get it knocked out. As with everything, y'all, it always seems like you're gonna get it done quick, and then you start doing it, and then you figure out real quick that you ain't getting it done quick. But I think we got a pretty good amount done today. I ain't mad about it. Nice. Did nothing. Listen, I ain't mad at it. Got a pad for the powerhouse. This part is the pad, and it's still big enough so it'll fit perfectly on this. This back part, I don't know. I'm gonna do rain catchment or something with this out here, and then the side over there, that's just to line it up. So on the next one, I'm gonna try to move that thing here. I just gotta make some upgrades on my tractor so I can use it to pull it, and I like it. We came out, we accomplished what we wanted to do today, even though I wanted to do more, but I accomplished what I wanted. And yeah, appreciate y'all. Not tripping. It's been real. Appreciate Appreciate y'all watching. If you still watching, go hit the like and the thumbs up. I think that's the same thing. Go subscribe. And see y'all tomorrow, man. Peace. Yeah. Done delay.